Project, and this is our first video.
I am Swarda.
And I am Tanmay.
And together we are ST Project.
Because SNT, and that is all the creativity we have.
Yes.
Vodafone messages.
You get
all
all
know
the time.
this. Yeah, those of you who have Airtel and are part of IIN, my sincerest apologies. But all of us, most of us, are from Vodafone, and I love Vodafone. Okay, I love dogs and I love that pug, but he's a little creepy.
Yeah.
I mean, think about it. I feel like every time I get the message, I imagine the pug just sitting there like and saying it to you.
Send you these amazing offers on latest prepaid recharges and message packs and internet packs. Dude, if I could afford like these packs, then I wouldn't be here getting these messages from you. So claps for Vodafone. Everybody gets it, and it's really annoying because you might be as well waiting for like a really important message from a recent interview that you've done, or from like an ex that you've drunk texted,
and then comes in the Vodafone pug like. That is the really expensive. Like Vodafone is expensive.
Like, if I have to call my friend and talk to her about my problems for an hour, I might as well sell my right kidney.
Which is Honey Mates.
Yes.
All of us.
I think girls will relate to this more than guys.
Yeah.
Because girls get it all the time.
But guys are the ones who do it.
Yeah.
So no, but you know what? Actually, to be fair,
I
do know a lot of girls who are the Honey Mates as well.
You do?
Yeah.
You don't hang out with that people.
You are that girl. Sir.
I am not that girl.
You are that.
I am not even on
So
Facebook.
that girl.
Okay. I usually get on Facebook.
Right.
And a creepy guy just looks at your DP, and let's get this straight, okay? No girl looks like the display picture that you put on Facebook, okay?
That's not true. I look like my display picture on Facebook.
That's because you have gone through a plastic surgery. Most of us don't look like the hot display picture that we put on Facebook. And then these guys, they text you saying hi, and it's not even like hey, what's up? It's hi. It sounds so sexual. Even normal things. I mean, they might just send you a hey, I just ate dinner, and it just sounds so sexual.
The more you don't know him, more the creepiness is increases.
Yeah, true.
You know, like for example, like the same sentence like you said, hey, I just had dinner. You know, if it's your classmate, it's like, hey, I just had dinner, what's up?
Yeah.
If it's your classmate's friend, it's like, hey, I had dinner, what's up? You know, if it's like your classmate's friend, so it's like. If you guys are watching this,
yeah.
Stop. Okay.
Yeah, like stop.
You know what? Worst of all, I feel like your creepiness also directly correlates to your grammar, and when I D does not mean the.
No, we should do a whole like an entirely different video for this particular topic,
right?
This social issue that we want to.
Good mornings
and good nights. Now let me get this, okay? This I don't know, either you get it on WhatsApp or on text messages or on Facebook, or I don't know.
Everywhere.
If you are on hike for some reason, you get it there too. And this is annoying as F, okay? Because you get messages which literally sound like this. GM.
Also, I feel like the people that try to start your morning with a thought and then a GM, and most of the time those thoughts are fucking depressing.
Yeah.
Like, why do you want me to start my day with that? Why?
Exactly. Like, read a few.
Remember, no matter what we may be going through, there is always someone going through worse. My attitude towards life depends on the time of the day. Like evening and like thereon, I'm just like amazing. And then in the morning, I'm just like a polar bear that's in Hawaii.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I am the bear.
Yeah. Festival messages, just like the earlier type.
I know.
Happy Diwali, Shubh Diwali. Okay, you know what? I understand the sentiment. I agree that I would want to wish you on certain occasions as well.
Why not give me a call instead?
Yes. Why would you have to send me that sappy forward? Did you this time I got this forward of a diya and then positioned it in a way that it moved like a snake the entire time. It was fucking 5 pages long, and I'm scrolling and those diyas are just going like this all over my phone, and I'm like, what? Like proper goodies on Gudi Padwa. Like from those slashes and like I don't even know how do people have so much time. I had time. I would sleep. or eat.
Or poop. The most annoying part about these messages is at the end of the message they always write like for example, Happy Deepavali from Tanmay Thakur and family.
I know.
Don't care. Don't text. Go die.
Hey.
That's a little extreme.
Yeah. Just give each other a call, yeah.
Yeah.
Like, you know, hey, happy Diwali.
Or send a card. Send a card.
Yeah,
That's
and
very
then,
sweet.
and like if listening to this you're like, oh, but I don't want to speak to that person, then don't send him that damn
Exactly.
message either. Video guy, we all know this, okay?
We always have this one person on WhatsApp, especially in one of our groups, who keeps sending these annoying links to YouTube videos and like videos in general, and and in the end they're must watch.
Like, and then for half of them are kids sticking their fingers in cats' mouths. Why should I watch this? How is my life impacted with this? All are like, this person did this to this, and what she did will leave you speechless. This person was watering his plant, and what the plant did will leave you speechless.
The videos sometimes have like a really funny meaning to it, because there are some of these videos go something like, the way he proposed to his wife and the way his wife reacted to it will leave you speechless. Everybody watches it out of guilt, okay? Because everybody like has a fantasy of somebody proposing to you like that.
Yeah.
And then
They trick you into watching
trick
it.
you into
Like,
that
they
is
fucking
so
attention. That's how I think people get like.
now you wish your boyfriend would do something or girlfriend would do something for you.
I should probably tell you that Swarna's boyfriend is her cat.
Yeah. You keep clicking on these links of similar videos,
Yeah.
and then it's like a domino effect after that.
Yeah, this is what we found funny.
No offense.
Awesome. And it's like going to the beat. People watching our videos will be those horny mates who will be going.
If you think, अरे यार मेरे ग्रुप में तो कोई नहीं है यार, ऐसा मेरा ग्रुप बहुत अच्छा है, then you are the video guy, bro. You are that one.
The worst part, right? Because I'm outside,
Yeah.
I don't have Wi-Fi. You send the link, everyone's watched it, everyone's laughing about it, discussing about it, commenting like birds, and I'm here like. False news.
Yeah, I mean, everybody keeps sending us these fake news
Yeah.
that just don't exist.
First of all, Dilip Kumar has died 9 to 10 times by now.
Yeah.
So he's basically a cat.
आज का ऐसा ही दिन है यूनिक, जिस दिन मून का पोजीशन
हर दिन यूनिक होता है.
हर दिन
पहली बात तो हर दिन यूनिक है.
I know, right? आज है 10 10 10, कल 11 11 11, परसों 12 12. I'm like, why do you care?
Recently, a lot of people celebrated Pi Day. Point is, yeah. So anyway, on 3rd March,
Yeah, okay.
whatever,
Yeah.
the numbers were equal to the first few numbers of pi.
Yeah.
At like 956 something.
Yeah.
Hello, Pi Day.
Party.
Hey bye, आज Pi Day में क्या
अबे
करें?
you know, hey man, what's up?
What's up, man?
अबे happy party!
You should know that the reason we did now is because this one right here can't do that.
Happy Pi Day. Send this to like 8 people, your luck will change.
Everything, huh? Like
Everything.
you'll get the man of your dreams, you'll get the job of your dreams, you'll get the shit of your dreams, which is
7. Okay, she's really bad at maths. She had to think like twice. She's like a hot version of Darshit Safari.
new jobs.
You know, I get
The
these,
amount of jobs I've had
Yeah.
till date are ridiculous. And
I know.
jobs that pay me
Like-
9.9 lakhs every
Yeah,
week.
every week.
Every week. अंबानी को नहीं मिलता तुम्हें मिलेगा.
MNC is waiting out there to hire me. Why? Just because. These job opportunities. So everybody out there watching this video, stop studying. You know why? Because you already have a job. We'd like to read a few hilarious forwards that we received. What is the difference between Punya and Paap? Punya is a debit card. Pay first, enjoy later. Paap is a credit card. Enjoy first and pay later. Karma is a restaurant where there is no need to place order. We are served what we have cooked. Think twice, act wise. Think twice,
Act wise. Even God does not like the hardness of tongue and heart. That's why He made them boneless. Be soft and kind to others.
Like our video, give us a thumbs up and let us know that you did like our video.
Yes, and of course, as usual, if you have any suggestions, if you want to add, you have points for this video as well, comment below, and we promise you we are reading everything. We guarantee you that.
Yeah, because we're gonna get like 4 comments, we're gonna read each and every one of them thoroughly. So share our video on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram,
and WhatsApp.
Even
With oh, you know what these two girls said about text messages? Will leave you speechless.
Must watch. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. So.